First build ever. Also, first PC ever. First things first, the case. Gotta take these glass panels off. So we have this box, some white zip ties. We got the white case, but like black internals, black and white, you know. Screws, yeah, gonna need all of this. I want to take out the HDD thingy because I'm not gonna be using HDD. Alright. So that frees up space in here for cable management and just airflow. Gigabyte, Beef 650M gaming plus Wi-Fi with the AM5 socket. Motherboard itself and all of this stuff. Ryzen 7 7700X. Oh, and by the way, I have metal under my desk, which I keep touching just to make sure I'm grounded, so I don't short any of these things, because I don't have like the you know, the wristband thingy. I think it comes with stickers. How do you take this out without messing it up, man? It's heavy. I'm gonna add to the sticker collection. You'll see that at the end of the video. We got the triangle here and the triangle up in this corner. Press down right here. This up. Make sure they're all good. Okay, I think that's in there. Close this. Boom. So I got G.Skill, Flare X5, DDR5, 216 gigs, so 32 gigs of RAM, A2, and the B2 slots. So open these up. Oh, I guess you can't open up this side. Oh, this one comes with a sticker too. We also got low profile because we're going to be using an air cooler for the CPU, which, you know, it's just a big bulky tower right here. 2 fingers. All right. Western Digital Black, 2 terabytes, SSD, 7,300 megabits per second. Damn. Can you believe this little tiny thing? It's like 3 inches long, holds 2 terabytes of storage. Come on, man. All right, so this off the heat sink thingy. Screw on tight, but don't over tighten. What I learned. By the way, I learned how to build all of this from YouTube. This is my first PC. I'm coming from Mac, first PC build, and I learned out all of this from a week of watching YouTube. Thermalright Phantom Spirit RGB. So we got this. Here's the radiator. Accessories. Got the fans. So I need these red ones, which is for AM5s. Got thermal paste. We have to take off these plastic brackets. Pro tip, don't over tighten one side without tightening the other. Kind of go back and forth. It'll make everything more even. So I want to remove these 2 plates for the GPU. This aside. Push this down. Literally have to break the metal off. Just kind of loosen up these cables. Prep them. IO shield is in there. Literally just pop right in. So we need to add 2 standoffs right here. And we need to move this standoff down. Haha, that's what this is for. Screw standoffs. Pretty much in there. I took some of the tabs out because they were in the way. I don't know how important those tabs are. So for the motherboard, they said use the fine thread over the coarse. Okay. Motherboard is done and in. That was terrible. Warning, please peel off. So it looks like their logo facing out. Feed this cable to here. Alright. And then we're gonna have to be a little bit above. Feed it. Oh shoot, this is gonna be impossible, bro. I messed up. I'm gonna have to take this off and plug it into there. CPU cooler is plugged in. For power, we have the Corsair RM650. I believe on PC Part Picker, all of this takes up about like 450, maybe 480 watts. So 650 is plenty with a little bit of headroom. I mean, no, this is motherboard. This is CPU. So we have a bunch of extra cables from the power supply. Now it is GPU time. The final piece, GeForce RTX 4070 Super. So there it is. Other than that, I think we're done with this whole mess. So let's clean this up right now. And close that up. Let's boot it up, I guess. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Woo! There we go, baby. Look at that. And then I think, whew! Oh yeah. Ooh, white actually looks nice. White on white. Once we get the monitor and keyboard set up, we can do the BIOS and install Windows. Peel this plastic. Monitor. Dang, that's huge. So I have a keyboard on the way. For the mouse, I have this old Razer Basilisk. Basilisk. But until the keyboard comes, I'm gonna use this Apple keyboard. Like I said, I'm coming from Mac. Okay. So look at that. CPU frequency 4000, CPU temperature 28 degrees Celsius. That's amazing. Memory frequency 4000. Alright, so I downloaded Windows 11 on here. So let's see. There we go. Time to set up Windows 11. Configure all this and download the drivers and all of that. And so now the desk is pretty much all set. Got the 32-inch monitor, got the speakers, the PC build, of course, keyboard and mouse. On this side of the PC, started adding some of the stickers that came with some products. That's pretty much it.